I don't sleep well, so I thought I'd have a look at white noise options to see if I can find a solution. So I suppose the first question has to be, what actually is white noise? White noise is a constant sound comprised of random frequencies, but with an equal intensity at all frequencies, essentially generating a hissing soundscape. Personally, I find white noise is like wrapping the world in brambles. I don't find it very pleasant. It's too spiky, but I appreciate that it can be effective others. The question is, why? Some people find that uniformity across the frequencies, that spikiness, can be used to mask unwanted sound. For example, random noises outside the house. In my mind, white noise is about preventing people from being distracted or disturbed as they try to go to sleep. Unfortunately for me, this is a soundscape that actually wakes me up.